Okay, a simple example I will share with you people. Simple example. Suppose I'm explaining a topic. Assume that I'm explaining a topic. Then your technical topic, assume that. Then after completing the session, one student asking the doubt, another student asking the doubt, another student asking the doubt. Like if my session is 1.5 hour session, to clear their doubts, another 1 hour I require to spend. Assume that. What I did is, related to this topic, what are the most common doubts? I prepared a checklist. I prepared a frequently asked questions. Then, first question, the answer. The second one, the answer. Third question, the answer. Like what I did is, I prepared after completing the session. Can you please hand over this checklist for every person? Like then, just a matter of 2 minutes, 3 minutes, all the people got the checklist. All the people got that frequently asked questions. So refer that. Still, if you are having any doubt, let me know. Still, if you are having any doubt, please let me know. Automatically, 90% of the doubts by default will be clarified. Please confirm. Yes, friends, correct or not? 90% of the doubts by default will be clarified. I'm not required. I'm not required to explain again and again. But still, 1 or 2 questions may miss. The people are going to ask me. Then what I will do is, I will take a note of those questions. And the next time, I will add those questions also. I will add those questions also in the list. Assume if you are buying a course online, frequently asked questions they are going to keep. Either session is in Telugu or English. Next, are you going to provide any projects kind of thing? Are you going to provide any assignments kind of thing? So either sessions will be there on weekend or only weekdays or only morning and evening also there. Like some commonly asked questions, we will document and we will keep. Then student not going to ask those questions because the questions already there in this. That's why. So compulsory systems are very, very important, friends. The big brands are running on systems, not from the memory or not from by persons. Person is a dummy. System is more important in the big brand if you want scalability.